video, I am going to be doing a demo of the Main Choices Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Shampoo and the Deep Conditioner. I did a video before using the Deep Conditioner, but I didn't do the shampoo, and I also didn't update you guys on the progress or how I felt about it. And I'm going to be using the shampoo and I'm going to be using the conditioner. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. And before we start, you guys, I have to remind you all to please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like my content and you watch my videos. I've noticed a lot of times now with YouTube, everything has changed. They're constantly changing their algorithms and all of that. I don't know too much about all of that, but I do notice a difference. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. This is how you help us YouTubers continue to make wonderful content for you guys. I love doing YouTube videos, but I don't like doing them and not seeing enough likes, looking at the amount of subscribers that I have. So please remember to like the video. It will help out a lot. I love you all. So my hair is in a ponytail, and it hasn't been washed for like 2 whole weeks, so it's in shrunken mode, as you can see. But it's very moist because before I put it in the ponytail, what did I do? I sprayed it with water. So I'm gonna go wet my hair and then shampoo it in sections. Okay guys, so I'm back and I wet my hair. I basically rinsed it with water, just water. And I'm not looking in front of a mirror right now. I'm using my camera phone. So please bear with me. This part, like this angle of the camera, my hair is wet. Yeah, this is what my hair is looking like, wet. Okay, so I'm gonna be parting it for you so you get to see a little bit how I part my hair and put it in sections. So this is the shampoo by The Main Choice, and I got this as a gift from my sister. She gave it to me a couple of months ago. I've used it a couple of times, but I wanted to use it for you guys on camera so you could see. So what I'm doing now, this is the consistency. And it kind of has a strong smell, like a perfumey smell to me. It's a strong smell, like it doesn't smell like, I don't know, I'm used to using natural products. I don't know if this is a natural product, but it has a strong perfumey kind of smell. Not what I'm used to. It's not bad. I'm just not used to using shampoos with a strong smell like that. So what I'm doing to shampoo my hair is I'm just putting it throughout the strands, as you can see. And then I take the pads of my fingers. Yes, I have nails, but I use the pads of my fingers. And yeah, a little bit of the tip of my nail, but really, really gently. You don't want to, irritate your scalp too much. That's what I do to try to get the shampoo in there and to wash it out. Shampoo is supposed to take off, product buildup, stuff like that. And that's what I'm doing right now, so you can see. And it suds up, you see the suds? It has a pretty good lather. And I do feel like it is stripping my hair. I'm not too sure yet. I'll know when I wash it out, like if it's really, really stripped or if it's like a stripping but not too, but still leaving your hair with moisture. So that's that. Move on to the next section. So So you see, I'm holding the hair taut because I don't want it to bunch up. Like, you always want to keep your hair from bunching up and shrinking, because the more it shrinks, the more you have to kind of detangle it, and you don't want to do that. You want to give yourself less problems when you're washing it. So if you can find a technique that works for you to prevent your hair from, you know, getting tangled, you'll be a step ahead of the game. Okay, moving on to my crown. Guys, I'm done with the shampoo, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. I'm not gonna wash this shampoo out on camera. Right now, I'm gonna go wash this off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just finished rinsing out the shampoo. Whew. I hope to get you guys a good wash routine video. But yeah, I did it in sections. So one section at a time, I took each clip out and I rinsed it out. So that's what it's looking like. And I'm able to tell you that my hair, it rinsed off the product, because I did have a lot of product on my hair, but it's not feeling like stripped, like dry. So there's still some moisture to my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. Out, like, this is what my hair looks like after washing it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Main Choice. This is the hair mask. I'm not gonna read that whole title. This one has just a similar smell to the shampoo. Again, it smells like a perfumey smell. It doesn't smell like anything that's a natural or essential oil. I have to look at the ingredients and put them in the description, but this is the consistency. It's not, yeah, it is kind of thick. It's a good consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. As you can see, it's not runny, and it's a smooth consistency. The smell of the shampoo is stronger than this one. So I'm just gonna start applying it to each section of my hair. And so now, since I didn't detangle beforehand, I'm gonna detangle each section now. So you make sure that you get the deep conditioner on the roots, and you make sure you get them on the ends of your hair. The ends of your hair are your oldest part, so you definitely want to keep those ends nice and nourished, so that you don't end up with split ends. Like, your hair can be healthy. Make sure you get your edges. And so to ensure that the product is spread, to ensure that the product is spread all around, I use my wide tooth comb. This is my tried and true wide tooth comb. So you start from the ends and you work your way up. Just like that. And be very gentle with your hair, especially guys who are dealing with thin hair, damaged hair, or any hair in general. Just try to always handle your hair very gently. Like, I see lots of stylists sometimes, like when people do videos of themselves going to stylists, and I still can't get over why the stylist is just so rough with their hair. Like, I don't know, maybe it appears to be that way, but here's the next section. Maybe it appears to be that way on camera, but I don't know, it just looks really rough to me. I don't know. I have not been to a hairstylist in I don't know how long. So in all honesty, I don't trust anybody with my hair. I had one lady that I used to trust with my hair years ago when I was relaxed. And I went to her only because I love the way she cared for my hair. Like some stylists, they can style your hair, make it look really, really pretty, but your hair is still not healthy. Just because your hair may look good doesn't mean it's healthy. Like they can fry the mess out of your hair, flat iron it, you know, and it's gonna be shiny or whatever products they put on it, but wash that product out. Look to see like if you have split ends, if your hair is, you know, has a protein moisture balance. Like does your hair look full and healthy, and you know, that's what you should be looking for. So I used to do hair as well. I used to do braids, I used to do relaxers, I used to do all that stuff, even weaves and stuff like that. But I don't have the patience to do other people's hair anymore. I have patience to do my hair. I don't have patience to do other people's hair. You see how easy that is, and you don't see me pulling or tugging. It's just really that simple. And I'm just smoothing it out, making sure that all parts of my hair is covered. And I'm gonna twist it up like that and just put this here. So I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video. Matter of fact, let me do my crown area, because for all of you guys who know about the crown area, we're all working to strengthen our crown areas and help them grow. So I'll do the crown area on camera and then I'll speed through the rest. So here's the crown area. You want to make sure you get an ample amount of conditioner and get that area saturated from root to tip. Make sure you open it up, part it with your hands to make sure that conditioner is in there. And then you get your wide tooth comb and you start at the ends very gently, because this section for me is very, very delicate, and a lot of you guys who watch my channel, it's delicate for you guys too. So make sure you handle with care. This section will grow back and repair itself, but you have to put in the work. You see that? That's what my crown is looking like. My crown tends to shrivel up. It shrinks a lot, and that area is very, very thin. So it may look like it's short sometimes, like it's broken off, but it's not. It's really just shriveled up. And because as you can see, the difference between when I first started putting the conditioner on and now after it's on and it's stretched. Look at that. Totally different. So I do like the way this conditioner is making this hair mask is making my hair feel. And this is the shed hair from those 3 parts thus far, which is not bad at all. So I'm gonna speed up the video and do the back. So I'm done applying the deep conditioning mask. It says that you can leave it on for 15 minutes, put on a plastic cap. So I have a plastic cap, and it says that you can put the plastic cap on and go under the hair dryer. I don't have a sit under hair dryer. For now, I'm just gonna let it sit on my hair for 15 minutes like it says, because I really don't feel like deep conditioning all day. What I can tell you about it now is that it penetrates through my hair. Like it's not sitting on top of my hair. It definitely penetrates through my hair. So I really, really like this deep conditioning mask. Would I buy it again? Let's see at the end of the video when I rinse it out. I'm gonna cover it with a plastic cap. And then to give in more insulation, usually I cover it with a satin bonnet or a scarf or anything else, but I'm gonna be using one of my head wraps that I make. You guys, this is my checkered and leopard print, oh my gosh, with the chains. This is a new one on my site, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. I'm gonna take this because it's what's handy right now. I usually just grab what's in here, put it over. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna help to insulate the natural heat. And the top part is open, but I just take it and tuck it in. For those of you guys who know that I sell these and who have purchased, thank you, but these are lifesavers. Not only are they lifesavers, but they're so fashionable. I have so many prints and solid colors as well. So I'm gonna let this sit on for 15 minutes, go do some stuff around the house, and then I'll come back and rinse this out. Guys, so I'm done. This video took quite a long time. So I'm done washing out the conditioner. I have a towel on, but the clothes that I had on were too wet to put in a video. And I want to get this video done. This is my hair post washing out the conditioner. Oh wow, it looks really soft. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised. Look at this. This is freshly washed hair, no product on it. So you guys are getting to see, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty soft. I like the way it's leaving my hair. I'm pleasantly surprised. I know I used this before, guys, but I didn't really get a chance to tell you guys about it and really pay close attention. So I'm glad I got a chance to do this video because now you can see firsthand my results. So that's it. I'm really loving it. It made it really soft. Normally, like, depending on certain things that I use, new products and stuff, it'll be dry. But yeah, this is my hair with no product in it after using the main choice. So yeah, I didn't know if I liked it or not, and I think I like it now. I think I like the mask. I don't know if I would too much purchase the shampoo. I'm not really in love with the shampoo. Yeah, I think it's the smell for me, like it's a little too perfumey. So I think I would definitely buy the mask again. Again, the mask is a thin, smooth consistency, and my hair, I have highly porous hair, so my hair absorbed the product really well. The mask is very lightweight, so again, it will not weigh your hair down, but as you can see, it's very soft to the touch. Well, you can kind of see it. I can feel it. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. It's normally, yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. So I'm gonna go and prepare my hair for the next step. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My business account is Kharyzma for You Fashion, and my personal is Kharyzma for You. Make sure you check out my online store, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for You. Sign up on my new website, kharyzmaforyou.com. It will be launching, praise the Lord, towards the end of this month. And sign up on our email list because I'm gonna be having some giveaways very soon. So please stay tuned so you'll be the first to know. And I love you all. See you soon. And if you haven't already subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe, like the video, share the video. I love you all. Bye.